take your kids in, you have like 3 or 4 or 5 kids to get a $10 haircut. Now you can do this at home for $1. Just follow me. Just follow me. Okay, so we are gonna start on the side right here, the sideburn, from the sideburn to the temple. And you're gonna do that all the way around. If you look a little uneven, don't worry. I'm gonna teach how to fix that. No problemo. No problema. Usually, the clippers that I'm using, they go for like $200, but you can very easily get a pair of clippers that you could use at home for like 15 bucks at many different stores. I'm sure you've seen them everywhere. The reason why we get these is because we do like 15 haircuts a day. You're not going to be doing 15 haircuts a day. This is something for you to learn to do at home and try to save $1. You're not going to go open a hair salon or a beauty school, right? So we don't need that. After all, you also need a license to be able to cut hair. So I actually work at a hair salon. I just happen to put this together here at home so I can make this website for you, all for you, for $1. Alright, so we're gonna go all the way around like I said. Same thing I did here, you're gonna do on this side. You can't see me. Alright, I came to the temple, I'll show you in a minute. Open him around. I like to use a mirror because when you use a mirror, it's easier to see that you got the lines in the right place. So you should be able to have this type of line by now. Right above the temple, right there. That's where you're gonna stop. Don't go above that. Unless you want the whole even cut to be with one, then you go all over and do the whole thing with number 1, and then you can just clean it up the way I'll be teaching you in a few minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna take the clippers, take out the guard. You're gonna grab the comb, and we're going to blend this in. Do not put the comb this way when you're doing this. That'll be a big mistake. You want to put the comb up, and then whenever it comes out, it's clean. Up, and sweep through it. Right here, you'll be able to see that. I'm not doing this. I'm doing this. So, you should be able to start seeing a nice, clean line. Don't worry about that. I'm talking about all this through here right now. If you get lost, just rewind or pause me. Put me on Tibo. This is my friend Steve, by the way. He's so quiet. I think his camera is shy.
I don't know if I was allowed to talk.
Oh, you please do. You're joking. I think he's single. For you ladies out there.
Yeah.
Ah, he's single. Just send me a little comment in the suggestion box if you want to date him. You have to move to Illinois though.
Thank you.
He's single, kind, and really nice guy. So here at onedollar.com, you get a haircut and a date. Now, you keep doing the same thing I was doing from over here, all the way around. Maybe I should do this, so you can see. Okay. Keep an eye on the way I use the comb, it's very important. Remember, I'm not doing this. I'm doing this. The first time you do it, you'll probably feel a little like nerve-wracking, you know. But keep going. Keep doing it. You know, the third, the fifth time, you're gonna be fine. Before you know it, you're gonna be teaching me how to cut hair. That's how you clean it. Oh, you know, when you edit it, you just go to that. Oh, you're still going. Oh. Now we're gonna use number 3 evenly, right? That's what I usually do. Evenly. Don't be afraid. Just grab it and simply go. Don't be scared. Coming here to guide you, don't to wear it. This is step by step what I'm doing, and you're gonna be fine. So you're going to do this all the way around the head evenly, and when I come back I'm going to show you how to clean the guidelines. So I'll see you in a few minutes, and remember, simply just do number 3 evenly. You'll see when you come back. So now we clean the top and the sides, and then number 3 looks nice and clean and even. Now you're going to clean the sides. Follow this line right here with the ear. Unless you want it like longer, if you want long sideburns, just follow this right here. I'm going with this guideline. You sweep around here like this really quickly. Again, if you need to come back to my tape, simply pause it or put it on slow. Use the little corner of the trimmers to give that little arch. Follow the line from the arch, go straight down. Okay, then you're going to look at your head. Make sure you have even lines here. And go across. You get a nice straight line. Stand back, look at it. In the little corner. If you stand back from the haircut when you're doing this haircut, you'll know if it's straight, even or not. And that looks pretty straight to me. Sometimes people have a little colic there, so there's nothing you can do about that. But if you can see, it's nice, clean. Both sides are really nice and clean. Sorry. Make sure that you follow the line here so you have even sideburns. And now you have a nice clean buzz cut. I cleaned it up a little bit with the clipper just to clean it up around the edges like this. Make sure that you don't have extra hair. It looks nice and even. And this is how you do a clipper cut.